In the video today I will teach you how to make a healthy and nutritious power shake. Let's begin. Why I came up with this recipe is to help you guys improve your athletic performance in the gym or in your sport. So these ingredients, they're a combination of fruit and vegetables, and there are proven studies that actually help people to improve their health and their athletic performance. Sometimes it's quite hard to eat a large amount of fruits and vegetables. You know, for some people are too chewy, it's time consuming, doesn't give any pleasure. We're gonna blend it, and that way it's going to be easier to consume. You can have a large quantity and it's going to be more enjoyable. So yeah, let's begin. So we have 80 grams of strawberries, 80 grams of blueberries, 129 grams of beetroot, banana is 82 grams, and watercress is 29 grams. Yeah, combining this together will definitely give you a big boost in the gym or in your sport. So make sure you have this every morning before your first meal. And yeah, in a few days you'll feel the difference. Here, yeah, everything's ready to go. So let's blend this, and then you're gonna add the last two ingredients. Ready? Look at this beautiful color. My goodness, it's all packed of vitamins, minerals, nutrients, good nutrients. Yeah, I'm gonna add the last two ingredients. So 1 teaspoon of maca powder, and another teaspoon of this super green mix. Here we have a green super blend powder. Yeah, it's a blend of wheatgrass powder, pea protein, barley grass powder, spinach powder, ginger powder, spirulina powder, so it's high in protein. And here we have some maca powder. Yeah, it's very high in B vitamins, especially riboflavin, and has been shown to increase libido, yeah, to increase performance in athletes. So, and we're gonna blend it one more time. Look at this goodness. Let's try it. Yep, good as always. So the least enjoyable ingredients in this shake are the watercress and also the beetroot, but with the combination of the other fruits and yeah, these powders here make it taste quite enjoyable. It's quite sweet, so I'm sure everyone will like it. No more chewy stuff. Yeah. Not time consuming, very easy to drink, to enjoy, so there's no reason and there's no excuse not to skip your vegetables and your fruits. Yeah, so make sure you have this either every like first thing in the morning or after the workout. So I worked out the calories for this, and we are at definitely can include this if you are either bulking or cutting, or if you're just a regular person just trying to get healthier. So the reason I chose this is obviously because of the taste, and they are fully packed with vitamins, minerals, enzymes, antioxidants, and beetroot has a very high amount of nitrates. It's very good for athletes. Has been scientifically proven many times that it improves performance and can lower blood pressure, and for people who go to the gym it really helps with pumps because of the high nitrate content. And also the high potassium content as well. As here in the banana, yeah, good amount of carbs, good amount of potassium. And in every shake I try to have some greens. Here we have watercress is much higher in antioxidants than any other greens, so usually I go with spinach, but I wanted this to be a very high antioxidant shake. I went with watercress. So have this, enjoy it, and you'll see that your performance will increase in the gym. The pump is going to be different, and cheers. See you in the next video.